You made it to writing assignment number 1. Let's go through it together. When you get to this writing assignment, you're going to see these underlined words that say writing assignment and rubric. And you go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you to this Google Doc with much more specific directions. So notice for part 1, it says for the first part of this writing assignment, you're going to start with an obituary you would like to see written about you after your death. You're going to start with asking CHAT GBT. So CHAT GBT is an AI, and it's going to write your obituary for you. What you want to do is give it enough details with your name and your age and anything else that's important so that it can be personalized. And make sure to tell ChatGPT to make it between 600 and 1200 words. So let's see what that looks like. I'm going to click on ChatGPT right in there. And right on the bottom here it says send a message. So what I'm going to say is write an obituary of 600 to 1200 words for Hillary Altman. Dr. Altman taught at Merritt College for 30 years and died at 80 years of age. She volunteered as a disability advocate, helping people with developmental and physical disabilities to be as independent as possible. She leaves 2 children, a husband, and her rescue dog. Please send donations to Merritt College scholarship funds in lieu of flowers. Okay, so I put that in, I hit enter, and here it goes. It writes me, it says I was born in 1943, so I should have told them when I was born. Okay, so that's the other thing, is make sure you tell it when you're born. But it's writing me a very nice obituary, okay? So that's what you're going to do. And then you're going to copy and paste that into your assignment. But let's go back. So that's part 1, okay? And then number 2 is your personalized version of this obituary. So now you're going to look at what ChatGPT did and personalize it. So the whole reason that we do this is because AI is a great way to start, especially if you have writer's block. You can ask ChatGPT to help you get started, but it's not your words. That is plagiarism if you just copy and pasted that for your assignment. So I want you to start with that, but then I want you to make it your own. So you're going to edit it, use your words, make it much more personalized. And so what I'm looking for in part B are significant changes were made to that ChatGPT obituary so that it really looks like something you wrote, okay? And then part 2, you're going to detail the interpersonal communication skills you need to practice and develop in order to end up with that ideal obituary. So you want to make sure your obituary is really ideal. Were you married for 30 years? Did you have lots of friends? Did you have the jobs you wanted? So then what are the things you need to work on in terms of your interpersonal skills to get there? And so you're going to look through both of the class notes packets and use at least 5 vocabulary words with enough context that I know you're using those words correctly. And you're going to bold or highlight them in your actual writing. Okay? And there's more details here, but here's my example so you can look through what a good example looks like. There's the ChatGPT obituary. Here's the one that I changed. And then here's the part 2, and I used bold. You can bold or highlight the skills. So that is it. And of course, as usual, if you have any questions, just let me know. We can meet in office hours or we can meet another time. Okay?